Okay, today I'm going to show you how to customize your input displays. So when you hit input on your remote, it says digital, HDMI, HDMI 2, and your AV. What I want to do is I have a Roku, so I want to put Roku here. I want to put, I have a switch, I'm going to put my switch 2 there. And digital, I want to put TV channels or TV, something of that nature. So in order to customize that, you're going to want to go up here to your settings. And you'll see right there, settings. We're going to click that. This is from the home page. We're going to go down to Bravia settings. Go ahead and click that. From here, we're going to go down to external inputs. You're going to want to click here. You got all these options. We're going to go to manage inputs. You'll see analog, nobody uses that anymore. Digital, we're going to click on the digital. We're saying show. You can hide it, you can show it. So like my analog, I'm hiding it. So normally, if you had it on show, then you do input, it has analog now, but we don't have any analog, so let's go back and go to Bravia settings, external inputs, manage. We're gonna hide this one, and then back. And with the HDMI, you could actually not only show it, but you could do a label for it. And what I want to do, you can do these already pre-written labels, or you can customize it. So for mine, I'm going to do, I'm going to do Roku. Roku, I'll put in here, Roku TV. So I have Roku TV for that one. And so we have that under custom. HDMI 2 is my switch 2. Make sure it's on show, it's on show. We're going to go to label. We're going to go past all this. We're going to do custom, and I'm going to put switch. Switch 2. Oh, it doesn't like numbers. Oh, it doesn't like numbers. Anyway, you get the idea. Huh? Oh, it does have it. No, but it doesn't like it. Anyway, I'll just call it switch, sorry. And then we hit back, back, back. Oh, I want to hide, I don't use this arc. So we'll say display, hide. So I don't use that. All right, so now when we go to the beginning, you do input. Now we have our digital. We got our Roku TV and our switch 2. So we go to our switch 2. I don't have it turned on. We go to our Roku and have the screensaver. Anyway, I hope this helps you. Thanks.